Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first you have to click on the camera button here, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button at the right corner here, and from here we have to move to the left corner to these settings, and by tapping on this we get access to the camera settings. From here we have to move slide down to the general settings, and as you can see at the first position we have the safe location info. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. And the important information here is that to make it work and really save our location of the picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device here. So for now I'm going to take a picture to show you how it works. And let's go to the preview. And this is our picture. By tapping on this we get access to the more advanced options in the gallery, and by tapping on this button at the right corner here we have access to the details, and when we go to the detail info at the last position we have the location. And that's all. Greetings from Krakow. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.